go. Scanner's all hooked up. What up, though, everybody? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and this is the place to be. So, you guys seen the thumbnail? I'm working on my 2012 Chevy Traverse because we had a little mishap on our way back from Lafayette, Indiana. So let's go jump on into this one. Here we go. Let's start her on up. Cut that radio off. So I think y'all can see down there, I got a check engine light on. She's misfiring like crazy. I had to limp her back all the way from Lafayette, Indiana with the dash going crazy. I guess you get a check engine light, the light start blinking for misfire, of course. And it says traction control off, traction control on, service stable link, and you got your traction control over here that's on over there. And it just keep dinging, dinging, dinging. Had to do all that for like 2-hour drive all the way back, limping the car back from down there from family dinner. It was not fun. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. But like I said, y'all can see, if y'all can see that, the car does have a check engine light on. And she's not running the best. So, let's get up under the hood. She's mighty dirty because she's been sitting now because I haven't been able to drive her because I have to wait for parts. But I was scared for her. I had a misfire in cylinder 6 when I scanned it. I tried to fix it with some used coil packs from my garage because I do have another motor over there. 3.6, but it's an older motor. I put the coil pack that I thought was good up in here. I still had a misfire cylinder 6. Car was still misfiring. So I'm like, oh no, the Allotech V6. I was like, so I did a compression test on cylinder 6, 125 PSI. So I think that's how you say it. I had 125 pounds of pressure in cylinder 6. So I swapped cylinder 4 with cylinder 6, and she was running a little bit better. So I attempted to drive her to work, and that didn't go so well. As soon as I started her up Monday morning, she was back misfiring. But I was on my way to work anyway, so I limped her back home because I had a doctor's appointment anyway, and I jumped in the red truck. When I got back, I checked it again, and the misfire moved from cylinder 6 to cylinder 4, the one I put the coil pack and a spark plug on. So we know there's nothing wrong with this engine. So I still have to wait for parts. Now my parts are in. Order from Amazon, $117 from the ignition doctor, ignition coils, and spark plugs. Hopefully this solves my issue and I start driving it back to work. So I'll be showing y'all how to change y'all coil packs and spark plugs on this 2012 Chevy Traverse. And there's a lot you gotta take off that I know of, that I do it because I do this myself. So let's jump on into this. So I'm going to begin with removing my purge valve. I don't think I have to unplug it. That's a 10 millimeter, so we can get on back in there. Get on there with your 10. Pop her on off. Don't lose your bolt. Set it down to the side. A lot of these are, you just press them. I gotta take this off. So it's a little press clip. You just press it in. and it pops on off like so. Already got these loose, so I'm just gonna pop that on off, get that out my way. Okay, make sure ain't no oil, making sure ain't no oil up in there. We got another clip right here. You're gonna have to remove this to get this out your way. And that's another, just push it down. You should be able to wiggle it off. Take the hose off from the engine. Take that little clip off, move that out the way, because I am going to take the whole intake off. To do this, I forgot how you get this one off. It's been a while. But I know I'm going to get that one off. Got to unplug the map sensor and to take off the throttle, the whole intake. It's going to be a 13 millimeter, but you got to take this 10 millimeter off right here so you can remove that hose, get all the hoses off of it, which I've been here before, and then really put nothing back. So, I already told you what to do. I'm about to get to work.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life.
So, have the intake manifold off. And I do implore you, if you're doing this at home, don't forget to get you a new intake gasket, lower intake manifold gasket. Forgot about that. I didn't order it. I didn't order one from Amazon. Amazon got them for $14.99. I cannot find it at my local auto parts store. They want you to buy the whole kit for $90 when you get that, the upper, lower, and the throttle body gaskets. So my neighbor told me to use little RTV, ATV, little silicone, because obviously I've been here before and I didn't really seal it back up after I did, so I got a little debris down in there. See, I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. But like I said, got the intake off. Make sure y'all replace your intake gasket. That's just foam down there. And I covered up my hose for I don't want to get nothing down in the cylinders, so I covered them up. You're gonna need 10 millimeter to get all these off. I'm gonna get them off, and I think it was time for me to change these anyway. Last time I changed these spark plugs, the seal was messed up on these boots, especially the ones in the back. So it's getting oil into the spark plug housing. It's hard to do this one-handed. GoPro about to go dead. Got to switch batteries here soon. Pop all the old ones out. That's number 4. So I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Say it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you didn't know that, I said before I had one misfire cylinder 6, swapped everything over to cylinder 4. Now it's misfire cylinder 4. He should be, see, that should be the nasty one. It ain't that bad, but do got oil in there. So last time I did this, like I said, number 5 was full of oil. Should look to be better this turnaround. But it's time for me to get these spark plugs out.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Same us for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they.
So, have all the new spark plugs in. Now it's time to reassemble. Hopefully these spark plugs, these coil packs will work. They're not no Densos. Like I said, they're from ignition doctor, car ignition doctor. So we're dropping these bad boys in. And hope for the best. GoPro going dead. Then gotta, last time we used some silicone. Already got silicone on the intake manifold. Screw in so easily with my finger. So I'm just trying to get them started with my hand first, but the way they got them sitting up in there, they don't want to go. Going by hand. Okay. I think I got this, y'all. Said I would. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm sorry that my mic done was dead. wasn't up to me. I should have charged it. Make these YouTube videos. You got time when you work a full-time job. Put stuff on charge. Especially when your main transportation went down. Sure you push them all the way down now. I'm gonna tighten them all up. Plug them back in. Then I'm gonna put the intake back on. I'm gonna throw a little silicone down first. So I could not get. I did not think about the lower intake gasket. Now y'all know now, if you're gonna do this, make sure y'all get that lower intake gasket from Amazon or eBay. Like I said, my local parts store doesn't carry it. You gotta buy the whole kit for 90 bucks. Even though Amazon sell the whole kit for 60 bucks. So either way it goes, cheaper going Amazon way. These spark plugs are like, I think these spark plugs like 2 years old. Had a misfire a long time ago. Maybe longer than that. Probably 4 years old. Before I even started YouTube, I changed these. No, I changed them 3 years old. They 3 years old. Had to remember. I just started this YouTube channel. And I was gonna record myself doing this by like 9. I get done faster. I think it was winter time. Put the car in the garage. And I just changed them out real quick. I didn't change the coil packs. So, like I say, I'll give y'all a closer look. They say ignition doctor on all the coil packs. Mine didn't have a little safety clips on them. Because this is a used automobile. So I get y'all in real quick. Then we get to wrapping this up. So there y'all go. I know she's mighty dirty up under there. Usually I don't get washed, but those brand new ignition doctors coil packs for my Denso ones. One of them failed on me. An AC Delco spark plugs. That cost me a lot of money 3 years ago. So I'm about to jump back on into this so we can call it a wrap.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So basically all you need is a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm, and a 13mm to change your coil packs. Along with your I think it's a 5/8 spark plug socket. It could be a 7/8. I don't remember. GoPro about to go dead. Let's go take a check so y'all know exactly which one you're gonna need. GoPro still going dead. It's a 5/8. You're gonna need the 5/8 spark plug socket, and for that one hose to get off, it's just a twist. And you've seen in time lapse, you just twist this around, and you got little tabs on each end. Twist it, get it to it clear, and pop it on off. But let me change this battery and get to erasing the engine light. So, scanner's all hooked up. I don't know if y'all can see that. Got a P0304 misfire detected, cylinder 4. So, like I said, it was in cylinder 6. Swapped over everything with the cylinder 4. So I'm gonna erase the code. And wait for it. And I'm gonna scan it pretty dirty. No more codes, no DTCs. Engine light is off. I don't feel no misfire. Unplug my scanner. She seems to be running healthy again. Woo! That's good, but that's how you change your coil packs. If you got a misfire in any cylinder, I suggest just don't change your coil pack and your spark plug. Spend all that money at AutoZone. Buy your parts from Advanced Auto. I'm not Advanced Auto. Buy your parts from Amazon. But before you buy your parts, swap over your coil packs to a different one and let it idle or drive it until you get the engine light come back on. Make sure you got a scanner and make sure it's jumping from the one cylinder to the next cylinder, the one you swap everything over. If it didn't, then you got some other issues going on inside your motor, and you got to take it to a professional shop to have it diagnosed. Like I said, I did a compression test on cylinder 6 because I changed the coil pack, putting the spark plug in there, and it still had a misfire in cylinder 6, so I got scared. So I swapped from 4 to 6, swapped them over, the car ran better. So I thought I could drive to work. Misfires went from cylinder 6 to cylinder 4. And like I said, I already did a compression test on cylinder 6. It was all good. So I knew it was just the coil pack that was messed up. The coil pack or the spark plug that was messed up. And it's all, you might as well change all of them while you're ahead. $117 on Amazon. You can't beat it. Ignition Doctor. So with all that, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did in making it and fixing my car, give us a thumbs up. Then give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds and share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. We truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. With all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people.